You've probably heard of the AI pin, the sleek little wearable packed with futuristic tech that was hyped as the device that could replace your iPhone. It looked like something pulled straight out of tomorrow. But fast forward to today, and the company is shut down. The co-founders have faded from the spotlight, and the buzz has gone quiet. So what happened? How did millions of dollars flow into a product that, in the end, struggled to justify why it even needed to exist? Let's break it down.
This might be the worst product presentation I've ever seen.
This type of product will have no use for anyone ever.
Who should buy this device right now? I mean, nobody should buy this device right now.
The company was started by Imran Chaudhry and his wife, Bethany Bongiorno. Both were former Apple employees, and Imran was the fired one. After leaving their jobs, they decided to create a sci-fi tech product, the AI Pin, a 34-gram wearable that clips to your shirt via a magnetic battery. Under the hood, it's packed with an octa-core Snapdragon processor, 4 gigabytes of RAM, and a 13-megapixel camera. But the real kicker is the laser ink display, which uses a Class 2 laser to project a monochromatic green interface directly onto your palm. They also laid out a mission in their channel descriptions that clearly showed their intent to replace the smartphone. They envisioned a world of ambient computing where technology disappears into the background and we finally stop staring at screens. The vision was so seductive that it attracted $230 million in funding. At its peak, the company was valued at nearly $850 million before selling a single unit. It didn't look like a bubble until April 2024 arrived. When the AI Pin finally reached the hands of reviewers in April 2024, the ambient dream quickly turned into a public reactions nightmare. Marcus Brownlee, arguably the most influential voice in tech, titled his review, "The worst product I've ever reviewed." The criticisms were brutal because, beneath the hype, the product was fundamentally flawed. First, there was the latency. Since every query had to travel to the cloud and back, users were often left standing in awkward silence for seconds, just waiting for a reply.
Look and tell me what this is. Or I'll just do this, I guess. Ah. It's a Cybertruck.
The photo is of a Cybertruck, an electric pickup truck produced by Tesla.
Then came the hallucination. The AI would confidently provide flat-out wrong answers to even the simplest questions. The product was screenless, which might have been a unique selling point for some. But it all boils down to one single question. Would anyone really spend $700 on a device that can't handle payments, can't do online shopping, and can't even plan a trip? To make matters worse, you're forced into a $24 a month subscription just to access the full suite of features and keep the platform running. It was sheer madness. For that price, you could easily buy a flagship smartphone that offers a 10 times more frictionless experience across the board. In the end, they were trying to sell a premium alternative to the smartphone that couldn't actually compete with a smartphone in any meaningful way.